Hey everyone, welcome. Meha here. I hope you're doing good. In this video, I wanted to show you one of my favorite sunscreens of all time. It's the FAE Beauty SPF Juice. I just wanted to show you how much I like this because this is my third tube. So yeah, if you're someone who's been looking for a really good sunscreen and doesn't want to fuss about it, or if you're feeling really uncomfortable while wearing sunscreens, like it's heavy or greasy or things like that, I think you should know about this option. And this is not sponsored, I just wanted to talk to you about this so that you also know about this option. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Before anything, please do patch test any kind of new product that you're going to apply to your body. It is important that you test these products out, or it might lead to some kind of allergic reaction. Not just this, I'm talking about any product that you're going to use. It's just a precautionary step that I think you should take. And if you don't know what a patch test is, it means that take a little bit of the product and apply it to the back of your neck or on your elbow, just like a patch of your skin, to test out that product and see how it works for you, or if it causes any kind of reactions to your skin. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that. Let's get started.
The sunscreen comes in a cardboard packaging like so, with SPF Juice written right at the front. All the details are mentioned on the packaging with the ingredients and everything. It retails for Rs 600 for 50 ml of product. And this is what the actual tube looks like. It has everything, all the details again on it, and it has a pump dispenser. Again, everything comes out smoothly. This is what the texture looks like. It's a very lightweight lotion-like sunscreen. As you can see, I've taken way more than I needed, but I just wanted to show you that even after taking so much of sunscreen, it doesn't give a white cast or make me look like a ghost. So yeah, and it blends very easily into the skin, and for my dry skin this works very well. So yeah, across all skin tones I'm hoping this would work, but again, check with creators who are a similar skin tone to yours, and see if they've tried this sunscreen or not. It's not sticky or greasy. It's the perfect texture.
This is an SPF 50 PA4 pluses, and it is vegan, cruelty-free, mineral oil free, alcohol free, dye free, essential oil free, and fragrance free. So yeah, this is some good stuff in here. All the ingredients are mentioned on the box, and I suggest you go through their website and read about the product. Before I start talking about the sunscreen, I want to talk about a few terms that are used in reference to a sunscreen. Okay, so what is SPF? SPF stands for sun protection factor, and it basically indicates how well the sunscreen protects you against UVB rays. The higher the number, the more protection you can expect. PA refers to the protection grade of UVA rays, and the plus indicates the amount of protection that you get. The more number of pluses there are in a sunscreen, the better protection you get. So according to FAE's website, they have, I'm just reading it here, okay? So they have SPF 50 PA4 pluses, and they have a Boost star rating of 4 stars, which is actually pretty high. You can read it on their website, just so you know. And they also have a critical wavelength of 379, I guess, in nanometers. So yeah, it's got max protection for a modern day sunscreen. This works well. This has a good mix of chemical filters. It says it's a hybrid sunscreen, but I could only find chemical filters on this. So yeah, maybe, I don't know. Again, it's up to you if you want to find out about every single ingredient. It also has really good emollients, which is why my dry skin absolutely loves this product. No white cast, not greasy, not sticky, does not make my eyes water. Kind of like the perfect thing for every single day, especially under makeup. You won't even know it's there on your skin. It's untraceable. So that is a very good quality for a sunscreen, according to me, because I'm lazy. I don't want to spend a lot of time thinking about sunscreen or trying to put on a sunscreen. So if there's anything that is out there that makes my life easier, I will buy it. This is one of those products. So yeah, if you're one of those people who just want a no bullshit skincare routine, this might be the last step to add to your morning routine, a sunscreen. Make sure you do apply at least once in a day. So yeah, the only thing that I think is a problem is that I have to spend so much every 2 to 3 weeks, because this is a small tube and you have to use a lot of sunscreen every single day. So yeah, it's not just with this sunscreen, I'm just talking about it in general. So yeah, that is what I had to say about this particular sunscreen. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you got to know SPF Juice a little bit more. And yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think and which one's your favorite sunscreen, which one do you want me to review next. I do have some sunscreens with me that I am going to review soon. So yeah, I'm hoping to see you soon there. Until next time, bye.